Hello. Today, I would like to present about my website. It's called Fight for Nature. This is our icon. And then why I will do this website is because that the word on here, Guardian. Guardian not only a name of the shop, but also got a meaning of the responsibility of us to protect some things. Like us have a all person have a responsibility to protect our Earth. So, our mission is to save the Malaysia vanishing wilderness. Do you know that in each 48 hours, Malaysia will lose forest equivalent to 500 football fields? It's very big, a large size. And then it's just in 48 hours. It means that in 2 days, the then 500 football field will lost. So many animals will lost that habitat like this orangutan in the picture. So this is why yeah we need to do something to fight for our nature. And then this is what we can do to help our nature now. Every donation can be a very powerful weapon against the environmental destruction. So first we can see our first project. It got a green here and then the next tree, and then when we click inside, yeah, it will go to a website. Campaign Perdana 100 juta pokok. And then we can donate our money into this project so that it can help our nation to protect our environment. So this is the protect water one. Yeah. So each all these the green one can click inside and then you can help the website in it to protect the nature. This is WWF one. You can protect the animal which is endangered. Okay, so here we can click our email address into it. This is my email, susan@gmail.com, and then my phone, and then also my phone. So thank you for listening. Bye.